Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 11, Exercise 11c. The product of two brackets. Our main objective is to find the product of two algebraic expressions, each having two terms. So as you can see here in this example, we will be having questions like this. Like first expression will have two terms and the second expression will have two terms. How we are going to multiply these? We will take the first term, like we will take this n and we will multiply it with each term of the second bracket. Then we will take the second term, like here 2n, and we will multiply it with the each term of the second bracket, right? So what is new? I mean, we did this type of questions in exercise 11b. We are going to simplify the expression if it will be possible. Okay, let me explain you with the help of the example. So as you can see here, we want to multiply, or we want to expand n plus 2 times n plus 4. So as you can see here, with the help of the red arrows, I have multiplied, or you can say I have shown how can I multiply this n with this n and positive 4. So n is going to be multiplied with this n, it will give me n squared. Then this n is going to be multiplied with this 4, it will give me 4n, positive 4n. And then we are going to take this 2 and we will multiply it with this n, right? So 2 times n will give us positive 2n. Then we will multiply this 2 with this positive 4, it will give us positive 8. Now clearly we can see that this 4n and this positive 2n, they can be solved together because they are like terms, right? N squared is different from this n, and this 8 is different from these because 8 is the constant term and this one has a squared. But these two have the same variables n and n. That means we will apply the rules of addition and subtraction here and we will solve them together. So these two terms will be solved together. Positive 4n and positive 2n will give us positive 6n. So these are going to be replaced with positive 6n. So this is going to be our final answer. So the step 1 is exactly the same like exercise 11b, but you have one more step to simplify this expression. Clear? Let's solve some questions from the exercise now. Here is question number 2 from the exercise. It says expand. So let's start expanding it or multiplying it. Now when you want to multiply x with the x, what we are going to get? We are going to get x squared. Then x with this positive 4, it will give us positive 4x. Then it's the turn of this positive 2. Positive 2 times this x will give us positive 2x. And then this positive 2 times positive 4 will give us positive 8. Right? 2 times 4 is 8. Now this 4x and 2x, they are like terms because they have the same variable x, right? Here the variable is x, but it has exponent 2. So it makes it different from these two. So x squared will remain x squared. This 8 is a constant term. It will remain 8, but these two, positive 4x and positive 2x together will give us positive 6x. So these are going to be replaced by positive 6x. So this will be our final answer. Clear? Okay. Now I will explain question number 13, and you will pause after this explanation of number 13. You will pause the video to solve question number 9 on your own. So let's solve number 13 together. So first we will multiply, we will take this a and we will multiply it with each term of the second bracket. So a is going to be multiplied with a, and then a is going to be multiplied with negative 8. So a times a is a to the power 2, or you can say a squared. Then a times negative 8, because a is positive and this is negative 8. So it's going to be negative 8a. Clear? Then we will take this negative 2 and we are going to multiply this negative 2 with the a. So negative 2 times positive a will give us negative 2a, and then negative 2 times negative 8, because negative and negative will become positive, and 2 times 8 is 16. So Clearly you can see here that this negative 8a and negative 2a, they are like terms. They can be solved together. So how we are going to get the answer now? A squared will remain a squared, and negative 8a and negative 2a, they have same sign, so they are going to be added, and we will keep the same sign. So negative sign we will keep it, and 8 plus 2 will give us 10a, and positive 16, it does not have any like term like itself, so it will remain positive 16. So this is the final answer, right? Now pause the video here and solve question number 9 on your own. So here is the answer, p squared plus 15p plus 36. As you can see here, all the explanation. Let's solve two more questions from the same exercise. Okay, let's solve this one. I will solve 23 with you, and then you will solve 28 on your own, right? Okay, so x is going to be multiplied with this x, and then x is going to be multiplied with positive 4. So x times x will give us x squared. X times positive 4 will give us positive 4x, and then we will multiply this negative 7 by x, so it will give us negative 7x, right? Then negative 7 is going to be multiplied with positive 4 because the signs are different, so it's going to be negative 7 4s are 28, right? Okay, now let's see what are the like terms. So these are the like terms from here to here, right? So x squared will remain x squared, negative 28 will remain negative 28. What about these two? Both of them, they have different signs. So if I think about the rules of addition and subtraction, what are the rules? If they have different signs, we have to subtract the numbers and we keep the sign of the larger number. So 7 is larger than 4, so 7 has a negative sign. It means the answer will have the negative sign, and 7 minus 4 will be 3x. So it's going to be negative 3x, and here negative 28. So this is our final answer. Now pause the video here and solve question number 28 on your own, and then play the video to check your answer. So here is the answer for question number 28. That's all for this video, girls. Hope you understand it.